Current situation, I'm on the highway, headed to my hobby shop. Time to upgrade, baby. TQI, here I come. Time to power up. What's up with it, y'all? It's your boy Bobby L, SharkLife RC. Did some upgrades today, man. Had to get the new radio control, the TQ. I had the TQ, but I got the TQI now, so we about to see what that's about. I did the Telemetry Expander upgrade, so we about to get some real numbers to see how fast this thing really moving. So today's pickup is the Bluetooth with the expander. Then I got this right here, about to do this differential mod. I got all the accessories for the telemetry, so let's get it. So if I get some time this weekend, this is what I'll be working on. This is all the parts I need for the XO-1 modification. I will be putting in my new TQI receiver with Bluetooth, fresh batteries. And I will be installing the Telemetry Expander and add-ons. Oh, and these two. So, but work comes first, so I'll be knocking out my lines, and in between doing line and credit repair, I will be working on my truck and spending time with my family. What's up with it, y'all? It's your boy Bobby L, SharkLife, here at the hobby shop, Dayton, Ohio. Meeting with my favorite partner here, Randy. Yep. We do we appreciate y'all, man.
Hey, we greatly appreciate everything.
Hey,
Thank you guys. Hey, there's a possibility that next week we're going to be able to let some people in the store on a limited basis. So check back with us on Facebook. Check back with us on our website. We'll get you some updates really quick. Thank you.
All right, man. Y'all heard him, man. Might be able to get in the shop next week, man. So I hope y'all have a wonderful, blessed, stay warm, stay safe, wash your hands, do all that good stuff. Hopefully they'll let the country let us back out and we can get back rolling. But make sure y'all stay safe. Hobby Shop Dayton, Ohio. Bobby L, SharkLife, checking in.
You convinced me to bring it in.
Thanks for setting her straight.
I advised her it was her duty to share it with her superiors. Even if something unethical might happen with it after.
Unethical?
Dad.
Maybe it's inevitable that Axelrod's darkest secrets will be made public. But inevitability is a problematic moral justification. Call me Frank.
Frank. I've accepted certain realities.
Doing bad to do good. Nothing you say can convince me that's all right.
Okay. Got the middle part. I have to drop this into here. Like so. I have to drop this. I'm not gonna drop it in there, but this, you get the idea. That slides in there, and then of course traxxas gives it wonderful directions. But yep, completely put the. Yep. I have the XO-1 differential built almost, but I just want to show y'all the inside of it compared to the before. See, yeah, better example. On the sides, this is the original on the sides. There's no metal brackets to hold it. But you got one right here and right here on the XO. Then going across, you don't have one on the old one. Here you got this cross bracket, so Yep, now to fill with some differential oil. Seal them all up. Put the front back together and do the rear. Alright, front differential XO mod complete. Just gotta put all the front end back together and do the rear. With the old and with the new.
Including Larry's brother D.
We'll upgrade it.
I met Larry in an 810.
Alright, I finally got my front end back together. Even though you can't see the XO-1 differential, it's in there. But yeah, here we go. Just put the new, you see them. So on to the next. To the rear we go. So well, ladies and gents, I'm back. I finally got the XO-1 differentials in, and I have the drive shafts. This is the front. They look pretty good, pretty sturdy. I like the rubber boot on them. Makes them remind me of a car. That's the front, and this is the rear. So there is a difference in both of them, so you will know when you look at them. So that's that. Next is to get started with my Telemetry Expander and all that good stuff in the radio system. So yeah, I upgraded. So this is next, and I got my lights. So stay tuned. Alright, y'all, up next is the TQI radio system. It has the built-in Bluetooth, so I can check out all my readings on the app. I got the expander, got all the add-ons that are included. A gift to myself for working hard and, you know, taking care of business. So, yep, I got some stuff to install. This is the next thing. Yeah, buddy. On to the next.
Must have been some party.
Where you go, Meryl? How are you?
I feel young.
Well, getting ready to get my day started. Still finishing up the telemetry. Got everything else in. Yep. Good to go. Got my RPM and speed sensor in here. Got the magnet on Spur. I don't know if you can see it in there. Put this in there. That's the magnet in there. So, yep. Then on the fan, I got the heat sensor, the temperature thing right there. And I gotta wire this to the battery, so the battery sensor, but yep. Alright, ladies and gents, I appreciate y'all following the progress, but everything is back together. Just gotta put the wheels on, my body on, and take it on out. Quick rundown. Lights, front drive shafts with the XO-1 mod, front and rear XO-1 mod, rear drive shafts, telemetry. So I got the Bluetooth and the controller. I installed the TQI, and it has a Bluetooth in it, so I can sync this to my phone and get all my information on the phone. But yep, I'll turn it on real quick. So let's power it on, y'all. Let's see what we got. We got fans going. We got green lights. We got green lights. And the 3S battery is about to go on the charger. It's the 2S, so appreciate y'all, man. Thanks for the love and support. SharkLife Stampede, Bobby L's. Make sure y'all make sure y'all subscribe to the YouTube channel. Let's go. Alright, ladies and gents, I appreciate y'all following the progress, but everything is back together. Just got to put the wheels on, my body on, and take it on out. Quick rundown. Lights, front drive shafts with the XO-1 mod, front and rear XO-1 mod, rear drive shafts, telemetry. So I got the Bluetooth and the controller. I installed the TQI, and it has a Bluetooth in it, so I can sync this to my phone and get all my information on the phone. But yep, I'll turn it on real quick. So let's power it on, y'all. Let's see what we got. We got fans going. We got green lights. We got green lights. And the 3S battery is about to go on the charger. It's the 2S, so